We will demonstrate the process of creating animated drawings in this video. Please search animated drawings in the search box. Then click here on the first title. You can see the website and you do not need to sign up and log in on this website. You simply click on the Get Started button. You can see some sample drawings here. But we have some different drawings for this. We need to click on the Upload Photo button. Then click on the Next button. You can resize the size from the bullet point. Now you can see the animation is starting. Here you can see many options available like dancing, funny, jumping, walking. Select accordingly. Also, you can share the animation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.